dear students, how are you all? Hope you all must be going very well. Today, students, we are going to learn about the chapter 5th of class 1st, which is regarding food and home for animals. Okay, so as we know that animals are living beings and every living being needs food and home to stay and survive, right? So let's learn about the chapter. All living beings require food to eat and a place to live. Have you ever wondered what the different animals eat and where they live? Let us find out. So as I told you कि सभी living beings को खाने के लिए food चाहिए and रहने के लिए एक place चाहिए होता है. बट क्या कभी हमने इस बारे में सोचा कि different animals क्या सभी same type of food को खाते हैं? Where do they live? So the answer is what? That different animals eat different kind of food. सभी animals different types of food को खाते हैं and सभी animals different types of places पे भी survive करते हैं. So let us discuss about them in a description now. So first of all, we have food for animals. No living being can live without food. Every living being needs food to stay alive, to grow, to be healthy, to get energy, right? Then, different animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat plants, whereas some eat the flesh of other animals, and there are some animals that eat both. So students, different animals, यानी कि सभी animals same type of food को consume नहीं करते. They all eat different type of food. Okay, कुछ animals हैं जो केवल plants खाते हैं. Some animals eat the flesh, यानी कि वो दूसरे animals का flesh यानी कि meat खाते हैं. और कुछ ऐसे भी एनिमल्स हैं जो कि प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स दोनों को खा सकते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स. व्हाट आर प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स? प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स बेसिकली स्टूडेंट्स वो एनिमल्स हैं जो केवल प्लांट्स को खाते हैं. दे ईट ओनली प्लांट एंड बिकॉज दे ईट ओनली प्लांट्स दे आर कॉल्ड प्लांट ईटर्स ऑल्सो. एग्जाम्पल, cow, rabbit, elephant, giraffe, etc. These all are plant eaters. Then second we have what? See, one more line that most of the birds eat grains. अब ज़्यादातर जितने भी birds होती हैं वो सभी grains को खाती हैं. Example, pigeon, hen, squirrel. Deer also eat grains. Deer is also a plant eater, but it eats grains also. वो क्या खाता है? Grains को भी खाता है. Okay? You can see in these pictures, this is pigeon, okay? Then this is hen, squirrel, deer. Deer take their first step within half an hour of their birth. और deer एक ऐसे type of animal है जो अपने birth के around half an hour के अंदर ही पहला steps लेने शुरू कर देते हैं. Okay? Now, the next which we have is flesh-eating animals. Now, what are flesh-eating animals? The animals which eat the flesh or the meat of other animals. Such animals are called flesh eaters also. Why? Because the दूसरे animals के flesh को खाते हैं. For example, lion, eagle, wolf, etc. All such animals are known as flesh eaters. Okay? Then, some small animals and also some of the birds eat insects as well as worms. Okay, so students, what they're saying कि कुछ small animals, that means small sized animals, and उसके अलावा there are some birds also जो कि insects को as well as worms को खाते हैं. Example, frog, lizard, spider. Okay, spiders spin webs to catch insect. and अगर बात करें spider की तो spider क्या बनाते हैं? Webs बनाते हैं इस तरीके से अपने insects को उनके अंदर कैच करने के लिए, and then they eat those insects only. Okay? Now there are some animals which eat both plants and animals. सब कुछ ऐसे भी animals हैं जो कि plants and animals दोनों को ही खा सकते हैं. Example, cat, bear, dog, crow. These are those animals which can eat both, that is plant as well as animals also. Lizards, snakes and frogs swallow their food whole without chewing. Very important fact they have given you that lizard, snake and frogs ऐसे animals हैं जो अपने food को whole यानी कि पूरा swallow कर लेते हैं. They do not chew their food. Okay? Now, Next, what we have is homes for animals. So this was all about the different feeding habits of animals, and now we have the homes for animals. See, animals live everywhere. Animals हर जगह survive करते हैं. That is on land, water, and there are some animals. कुछ ऐसे भी animals हैं जो कि land and water दोनों पे ही easily survive कर सकते हैं. Example, cat, dog, camel. They live on land. ये कहाँ पे रहते हैं? Land पे रहते हैं. Fish, dolphin, octopus. Where they do they live? They live in water, right? Then crocodile, frog, and tortoise, they can live both on land and in water. Okay, crocodile, frog, tortoise, these are those animals जो कि land and water दोनों पर ही easily survive कर सकते हैं. Okay, now let us talk about next topic which we have is natural homes. Now animals generally live in their natural homes. So सभी animals generally अपने natural homes में रहते हैं. And ये जो home है इन animals को protect करते हैं from heat, rain and cold. Okay, see, different animal live in different types of home. अब सभी animals का एक अपना special home होता है, एक special natural home होता है. Like a lion lives in a den. Lion कहाँ रहता है? Lion lives in a den. This is a den where this lion is living. Then if we talk about rabbit, rabbit lives in a burrow. Rabbit का जो home है, it is known as burrow. Then we have snakes and rats. Snake and rats, where do they live? They live in holes. Then we have bird. Bird makes a nest to live. Birds क्या बनाती हैं? Birds अपना nest बनाती हैं. उसमें अपने eggs को रखने के लिए and to survive itself also. Then a monkey lives on a tree. एक monkey कहाँ रहता है? ये trees पे रहता है. And then a bee. Bee क्या करता है? Bee makes a hive to live. Bee अपना hive बनाती है and there they live. Now next we have man-made homes. अब man-made homes वो homes होते हैं जो कि एक human being, एक man के through बनाए जाते हैं. Okay, domestic और pet animals are kept in man-made homes. जितने भी domestic and pet animals हैं, उनको man-made homes में रखा जाता है. Like a dog is kept in a kennel. Dog को कहाँ रखते हैं? We kept it in a kennel. इस तरीके से kennel होता है जहाँ पे dog को रखा जाता है. Horse is kept in a stable. Horse को कहाँ रखते हैं हम? Stable के अंदर रखते हैं. These kennel, stable, what are these? These are man-made homes. Okay, ये man-made homes हैं because इसके अंदर क्या हम domestic and pet animals को रखते हैं and they are made by the human being. Then fishes are kept in aquarium. You can see this is aquarium where the fishes are living. It's again a man-made home. Next we have cow. Cow is kept in a shed. This man-made home is known as shed where the cows live. Okay. So students, that's all for the chapter. It's completed over here. We have discussed the various feeding habits of the animals, such as we have discussed about plant eaters, flesh eaters, and the animals which eat both flesh as well as plants. Then we have discussed about some we have discussed about some natural and some man-made homes where the animals live to protect them from heat, cold, rain. Right? So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next session with a new and exciting topic. Till then, take care, keep going well, and thanks to everyone.